Good morning, everybody. Porch Light here, and it is that special time of year where we got the greenhouses going. Let me keep stepping back. Oh yeah. Now my plans would actually get this greenhouse up. Come on, let's walk in. Never been able to say that before. My plan was to actually get this up and running in the beginning of last season. But what occurred is that it never got up. It warmed up pretty fast. I already had my cold stuff established, and I focused on my warm stuff, which probably would have made sense. But life happens. Needless to say, y'all, it is finally up. Now, by the looks of it, I knew the measurements not too long ago. Just let you know I'm standing inside of it right now. And I say that's about two and a half feet, maybe 28. Yeah, about, I think it's about 28 inches wide. Yeah. And it's got to be at least 6 feet high. Okay. And I think this is about 4 to 5 feet long. Needless to say, y'all, this is a win for me because now I'm extending my season before it's too late. Now, if y'all watch my old videos, I was basically extending my season with greenhouses, but they were small, tiny ones, so I couldn't really get anything too big in there, and I couldn't really get anything, I couldn't work it in it. This I can work around. I can put ceilings down, and, it's right next to the house, as you see. See the vinyl from the house. So my only two concerns about this greenhouse is, one, the wind, and two, the critters. Now, I think I got the wind part taken care of because I got these bricks down. Now, you may be saying, daggone well, those bricks aren't going to work by themselves. But if you look down closer there, okay, let me get down a little bit. I used a tent stake or pole stake, and I got 4 of those, all like on all 4 corners, keeping it down. But that's not it, y'all. Then I took some other stakes, and I got about 10 or 15 of them all around the poles. So between those bricks, the 10 stakes, and those stakes, and then the weight, obviously, of the plants, I think we should be in good shape. And if a wind that strong and heavy comes along and knocks this stuff down, then I got bigger problems than this greenhouse. So basically, what's going to happen now, the critters, so before I get too far off subject, it's going to be what it is. I just saw a grasshopper pop out of that. So I was like, oh man, I gotta maybe wait until I put that in there. But then I thought about it. During the day, I'm going to have this open on days above 50 and 60 degrees, even in the winter time, because y'all know we got them, even in 6B. Basically, I'm going to keep this open. So the critter's going to get in there regardless. It is what it is. I just got to do pest control, all the oils and diatomaceous earth. I probably spread that all around here. And, we just going to have to make it work. But something's better than nothing. So even if I got some critters going on, it is what it is. I'm putting this lettuce in here. And you think, well, that's a cold weather plant. Well, at the end of the day, it's growing too slow for me. In the summertime, it took 4 days, and then I had a whole bouquet of lettuce. That thing been like that for 2 weeks. So it's going in here. Look, y'all, so I'm not going to make this super long, but look, we got to win. So let me give y'all another picture. And let's go all the way back. Porch light out.